Here's a new 2018 Ford F-150. This truck was built to tough it out and tested to make sure it's up to every challenge. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: twin-turbo V6 engine, electronic shift on the fly, automatic transmission, active grille shutters, AM/FM stereo radio, smartphone wireless charging, manual tilting steering column, front tow hooks, gas pressurized shocks, and easy lift and lower tailgate. The Car Connection explains, make no mistake, every square inch is detailed to cheat the wind to make it easier to extract every possible tenth of a mile per gallon from a classically styled pickup truck. Ford is America's best-selling vehicle brand. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.
Whether you're buying today or just shopping at Metropolitan Ford, you can expect to experience something truly unique. Call or stop in today. We're conveniently located near 494 and Highway 5 in Eden Prairie.